Hello everyone, it's Timecast Lab Company. Now we will run the system on the table. It is for Time Machine Escape Room. So we push the button play and it says to activate the locks. We can say yes. There is another Windows. So all modules are ready. This is like checking the system. So we pushed OK. So in the previous video I showed you that these outputs they are connected to magnetic locks or all the stuff we need power. So you can see the diode lights here. Actually each of them will be at the end, at the exact room, will be magnetic lock. So for now, if the light is on, it means that lock is closed, so it is on, magnetic is on. If it will turn it off, so magnetic lock is open, and so you can open the door, box or something else. So the next window says system ready, begin. We pushed OK, and for this exact escape room we can choose how many players. Well, there will be 3, 4 or 5, so we choose 3 of them. And as you can see, so the main windows for administrator is this one window. It is telling us what is the action now will be for players, and this window we can put for you any picture you want. So but mainly we use a plan of the room, so you can see this is a plan of the future escape room. There is like a few rooms, so you can see the rooms, and these buttons, and this one yellow, red ones. So these are all the puzzles of this escape room. What color means? So if the color is red, this puzzle is not activated yet, so it will be a little bit later. The yellow one, it is activated, so the players should solve this puzzle now. Then they solve this puzzle, it will turn green, and actually if there is something wrong, I don't know, players are dumping, cannot solve the puzzle, and or unfortunately something wrong, they broke something, I don't know, the administrator could solve the puzzle by himself, so just click by his mouse on this puzzle and it will turn green, and other puzzles will activate. So the first puzzle of this escape room is the code panel. Yeah, so they entered the right code. You can see that this puzzle, yeah, solved. It turns green, and another one is activated. So the next puzzle is yes, vibration sensor. They should knock five times on the table like this. So this sensor will be installed under the table like this, yeah, and that's all. So they will knock 5 times, it turns to green, and another one goes to yellow. I hope you understand. So this is how it works. Also you can see that the first one, so after we knocked 5 times, we solved this puzzle, and the box opened, and so it was on the magnetic lock on the second one, this one, and so it was closed, but after we knocked 5 times it was opened. I will show you on the third one, so you can see that other magnetic locks for now are closed. So what is the next puzzle? The next puzzle, we can see the order, so yeah, all the order, the code panel solved, knock sensor solved, eye sensor solved. Oh, yeah, I was showing you because this light sensor, the puzzle is about the get rid of the light. I was showing you, and but we can.
I sensor now.
I sensor now.
You can.
Yeah, I can show you. So we getting back a little bit. So the next puzzle will be the keyboard. So we can put the right big code. Yeah, it turns green, and as I said, the third magnetic lock turned off. So where are we now? So Doom door 3 room. Oh, I will tell you a little bit about it. So here are the sensor, which is consists of the sensor and this part, this small part. This is just a magnet. So for this exact puzzle, this part goes to door post, and the magnet goes to the door, and then you open the door, the magnet goes off the sensor, and so it tells the software that the door is open. And so it is the key to change the music, to change the action in the escape room. So this is a good instrument. So the next puzzle is the key card to the reader. Yeah, there are different types of these key cards, like the big one or the small. If you know the RFID. So yeah, we can use like this RFID. So they can be put, for example, for the best on Harry Potter, we can put it in the magic wand and use it this way. So, but for this one, for example, yeah, we've got the key card here, and therefore magnetic lock is open. Okay, so now we are ready to use our time machine puzzle, the big one. So the first one we need to activate the exact. So it will be decorated on the same color, same thing. So yeah, we activated. Yeah, they opened the door to time machine. This is the key to activate it. So we are pushing it there, and the whole time machine turns on. So there are a lot of lights, yeah, like these instruments, so we can push them. But these are just for decorations, all the buttons, all the lights. So we need to choose the date we want to. No, actually, in the Legend of the Escape Room, for solving, we need to get to exact date. And the other one is this on the German means fuel. So it is on the 0 now, so we need somehow find the battery and put it in this box. It is installed in the machine also. So this is the battery. We closed it without the battery, nothing happens. And if we will put battery in there, so yeah, you heard the noise, and something happens. It goes, it's working. So now we should choose the date. Now for solving this puzzle, for solving this escape room, this is 23rd January. So we heard the noise again, and the last thing we should do is to check that all the people are in the time machine. So they have the bracelets, which is 3 players. So 3 players checked that they are in the time machine, and the sound goes. So
Light,
yeah,
time machine.
yeah, we can use actually. So these are outputs, the same as in this controller, and they control all the lights in time machine. So
Machinery.
yeah, the smoke machine and the what?
Ventilator.
And conditioner. I don't remember the word. Okay, so after they have done all this activation of time machine, the light goes like lighting, sound goes by itself, so everything changes in the room. So then they get out of the time machine, and they've got to solve the last puzzle. They've got to what's the word? Overload the system, and they found in the room 2 different cables, and they should connect it. So you hear the sound. Yeah, activation. The last magnetic lock turned off, so it is the door to the exit, And this is the light of the room changes on the final. So you hear the final sound. So that's all the quests. You can see that we solve all the puzzle because all of them are green now. So it's easy to check what the action is now. It's easy to control it. So we can stop it now. After we push the button, you can see after we push the button play, it says that error door in room 3 is open. So if your administrator made a mistake and forgot to lock the door because the magnet was near, or you forgot the key card on the reader, it will tell us that that there is an error. So it is protected from the mistakes of your administrator. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you, Slav, for your service.